Right, I've been cleaning up all morning and I just realised that I'm running out of cleaning products, so I need to go to Asda quickly to get some, and I'll probably get something to eat for tomorrow because I want to cook tomorrow. I think I might make a curry chicken. I've been on this like curry chicken hype for the past 2 weeks now, and I want to really perfect it. There's a few things that I want to change with my curry chicken recipe. It's like the first time I've ever made it, and I'm so proud of it. It's like one of my favorite dishes, but if I can make it myself, because I'm not in Leicester anymore, it's just gonna make me feel like I'm at home. So I'm gonna try and perfect that this week, but I need to get some cleaning supplies. I need to get some food. My fridge is very empty. I feel like I've not really been at home for the past 4 weeks, I'm gonna say, because I went to Greece and then I was at home for like 5 days. Then I went to Malta and now I'm back at home and my fridge is just like it was at the beginning of August. So I'm going to do a bit of a restock. So I'm going to go to Asda quickly. Hopefully I can get everything from there. What, guys, where do you shop? Because I used to shop in Tesco, but now I've started shopping in Asda because I didn't realise, what's that slogan? Asda price? Asda price? Asda price? This is why mum's shopping Asda. No, that's Iceland. That's why mums go to Iceland. What's Asda's one? Slogan is every penny counts. Pounds, save it. Something like that. Whatever Asda's slogan is, they weren't playing around. Asda, I've been doing my shopping at Asda. My shopping, I've been getting meat, I've been getting vegetables, I've been getting fruit, I've been getting juice for like £25. And I'm like, huh? Tesco would have been charging me £100 for one bag. Now I'm going to Asda until I can go back to M&S again. Because, like I said, the money is very finished. The money is very finished, so I'm going to Asda. I can't afford M&S. Absolutely not. But that's fine. That's fine. We might get back there. Firstly, I got these sponges because I was running low. Then I got some Dettol surface cleaner, some floor cleaner. I got 2 pink stuff, coconut milk powder because I'm gonna make some coconut milk rice tomorrow. Original sauce. I've got 2. I think I've actually got 4 of these actually. Got 2 of these, moisturized. Got some Tropicana, a nourishment for when I'm feeling lazy after the gym. Got some peppers, got some butter, got some bagels, some Actimel, 2 kg of chicken, got some scallion or spring onions, one of the 2 I think they're called. Pomegranates because they were on offer. These were like 96p. I got some veg. Then I got some southern fried chicken, 2 sweet potato mashes that I'm gonna use today. 2 crates of water. And I got some eggs as well. I nearly forgot those. Now I know food prices have kind of changed in recent years, but how much do you think all of this cost?